Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I haven't been on for 2 weeks now. Well, it's nearly 2 weeks because I've been busy doing other things, and also I've caught a cold. I'm going to try my hardest not to sniffle and cough, but it's got a lot better. It was really bad. So just popping on to say that I went to Sainsbury'S yesterday to get some air, and yeah, some fresh air, and I picked up these magazines. I've got two, and this one is the issue 195 May edition, and I paid £6.99 for it. And I've actually opened up the packet and tore it open, so let me have a look. Okay, so this is the magazine, the card making and paper crafts, and it's issue 195, the May edition, and it had some really great stuff. It just grabbed me, so I decided to get it. Now and again I do usually pick them up, so it's nothing new. I'm sure I've done a haul on one a few months ago, but yes, anyway, it grabbed my attention. And even though it's for card making, it also says for paper crafts as well, which is really good, because not only can I make cards with them, I can also use it for paper crafting, such as journaling, scrapbooking, ephemera and stuff like that, die cutting and embellishments. That's what I was meant to say. So I'm glad I got that. And it says inside your mag you've got 8 funfair bonus papers, and you've got a masterclass 3/4 fold cards, and on page 34 easel card ideas with crafter's companion, and 134 fresh ideas to inspire you. It says inside this issue 3 Dahlia fold cards, 5 ways with spots and stripes, wonderful woodland creations, and so much more. So I thought I would definitely pick this up. It's got some great ideas in here, and I really am going to start trying my hand with more card making, because the reason why I say that is because every now and again it's someone's birthday or we need a card for something, and I have to send someone to get a card, or if I'm out I'll pick up some cards. So I really want to try my hand at making some cards and just having them here in order to use them when I need them. But they've got some great stuff, and I think they've got digital kits as well in here. These are fabulous, and I would photocopy these, scan them and have them, you know, to reprint as much as I want to. So this is perfect. So much great ideas. So I just thought I'd get that. I'm really trying my hardest not to sniffle or cough. It's been good so far. I've got my orange juice. Got my lovely orange juice here, so I drink that to give me my vitamin C. And yeah, so really great ideas. It says card making in France, so that's good thing to read as well, see what's going on there. And so it's just really a heads up to let you know that Sainsbury's, I don't know about your other local supermarkets, but Sainsbury's have got these. This is where I got them from. Got download for free, and you've got the templates here. Really nice. That's a lovely boat. Yep. So, and information on where to buy craft supplies as well. Yeah, so that's that. And it came with, I should have taken it out of the wrapper, sorry. It came with all these stamps. Aren't they lovely? These stamps. Let's have a look. All these stamps. Sorry about the glare. I'm trying to keep them in focus. Brilliant. It's got Happy Father's Day with all the tools. It's got a sailing boat guitar. It says, "You are terrific." Barbecue King, BBQ King. And it's got handbags, shoes, a doggy. It's really got some great stuff. It's got some cocktail glasses and stuff. Wishing you a birthday as fabulous as you. It's got lips here. This is a cake mixer and a cake as well. Oh, it's got all different things. It's got perfume bottle and the mirror, the handheld little mirror, sewing machine, great stuff. Wellies with flowers, you know, you can use your old wellies to plant flowers in. It's got a wreath here. Oh, it's got some amazing stuff. Shed, lovely, lovely. So I've got that. And the next one I got is this one. This one is, I'm really sorry about the glare. This one's Simple Cards and Paper Crafts. And this one is the issue 190. That's 190. And I paid $7.99 for it. Simply Cards and Paper Crafts. And it's got £1,885 worth of prizes to be won, so I guess you enter a competition for that. And it's got some great stuff again. I really do like getting these magazines. I don't get them often, but I do like getting them now and again because they've got some really good ideas. And once you get into the ideas, it's like the mind just starts expanding with other stuff that you could do with them. Such lovely, pretty colours and everything. Yeah. Got some great stuff. And I believe if you Google this, it will have all the issues as well, and you can, I think you can have a look inside of them to see before you buy. I do believe you can do that. And this one came with some dies, and it's to coordinate with the stamps as well. This is by Christina Griffiths, the card making magic. So that's really nice. And then you've got the stamps as well. So the stamps, great. I'm really sorry about the glare, really sorry. I'm working on my lighting at the moment. As you know, I've moved my craft room, or for all that didn't know, I've moved craft rooms, so I'm still in the process of getting things done there. So this is just a quick mini Sainsbury's haul of the Cards and Papercraft magazine with all these goodies in there. I can't wait to start using these stamps. Oh, it's really nice. It says, "Don't let life ruffle your feathers." It's got with sympathy, what's up, dream big, you light up my life, shine bright, dreams can come true, with love, thinking of you, and just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stamps. Yes, so that's that. So thank you very much for stopping by again, and go pick yourself up couple of these magazines. They're really lovely, and as I said, I don't buy them often, but when I see something that I really like, I usually grab them. I did pick up some other stuff from Sainsbury's. I picked up my some little clothing bits and pieces for my reborn doll, but that's another story. What I might do, I didn't realise the reborn doll community was so big on YouTube. What I most probably do is get another channel just to make fun stuff that I like to do in my spare time, and of course on a budget. So I picked up some stuff for her yesterday from Sainsbury's. They were reasonable. They were 25% off of clothing items for babies and children, so I got those. So I may, as I said, do another channel, because I want to keep this channel specifically for hauls and paper crafting and DIYs, but I'd like to do another channel just to show you what I do in my spare time to keep myself happy and for some fun, especially when I have no company. But thank you anyway for stopping by again, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to get more videos like these. And if you click the bell, you will get notified as to when I upload new videos. So again, thank you. Bye for now. Bye bye.